Hello there, this is Kevin. I'm from JBH Medical. Today I'm going to show you how to open the box of FDB01, our folding scooters. First of all, you need openers. Open the belt here, cut the belt here, and then here. We can take out the top of the phone here. Then you'll find a scooter here with plastic. Next, we take out a box of the charger here. Use as many with simple tool and some cable here. 2 batteries, this is really important. 2 batteries. Actually, we can have two people for opening the box. But right now I got only one. It's also very easy. Let's put it down here. The plastic here. Pull out the unit. And make the unit right up here. Take off the plastic. Then we can just simply drag it out. That's very simple. Let's insert the battery here. Make sure the 4 ports of the battery towards down. And then insert it here. And another one here. When we set the battery, we actually can open the scooter by remote control and the key. And it's right in the box of the charger here. And then make sure there's a switch here. Turn to the remote control function here. So simply just keep on pressing the button of opening the scooter. You will fully automatically open. Once we hear the click sounds, we can release the finger, then it's done. There are 2 ways to fold and unfold the scooter. First one is the remote control. I've been showing you. Right now the scooter is on the remote fold. You can see the switch is on the one here. And then if you want to choose the electric mode, simply just push this side here and then keep on pressing the fold sides of the switch and keep on pressing until it's fully folded. Okay, right now it's done. Then we want to unfold it. The other side of the switch, we touch it. Until we hear the click sounds, the scooter is fully unfolded right now. Open the cover here, plug this inside here. You need to have a connection of the power plug here. Insert it here, then the plug, you can connect it to power source in your house. That's one way. Second way, you can simply take the battery out. This will allow you to take it inside the room. A cable here is required. Make sure connect the cable here, the arrow to these parts. Then you can take the battery inside your room and then directly connect to the power at your home. You can charge everywhere in your house. We can adjust the weight of the armrest by turning the knob here. Pull out the armrest, pull in the armrest to your suitable position, then we can lock it back. Same way to here. And then you can adjust the angle of the armrest. Okay, let's put the foot pad here. Attach on it. Then we can adjust the suitable length of the handlebar here, up and down, and then lock it. We are ready to go. Okay, right now the blocking lever is on automatic function. That when you have this on, you cannot push the scooter forward. So if we want to push the scooter forward, turn it on here. Use your hand, push it, it will go forward and backwards. If you want to have an automatic right driving, turn it back, turn the power on, then you can easily go forward. Insert the key here, turn it on, pull the lever, then we can go. Alright, that's a very simple way to initial start using the scooter when you receive the packing. Thank you very much. We hope you enjoy our scooter.